algorithm. Generally, this A star search is a searching algorithm that is used to find the shortest path between an initial state and the final state by calculating the cost of all the neighborhood nodes and select the node which has a minimum cost. It can define the evaluation function as f of n is the sum of g of n plus h of n. Here the h of n is a heuristic function and g of n is the past knowledge acquired through search. This graph shows you the nodes like from A to Z. We are supposed to identify the shortest path to travel from A to Z. The distance is mentioned in the straight line as a crow flies. Also, the heuristic value has been mentioned in the orange color from node A to Z. It has been mentioned the Z don't have any heuristic value since it's a destination. The heuristic value for that is 0. Initially, we are starting from node A. A is the current node with the shortest distance of 0. Since there is no previous node for A, the distance is 0 and the heuristic value is 14. The total distance is the sum of shortest distance and the heuristic distance. This shows you the A has two branches, B and C. So we are identifying A to B and A to C to reach our destination Z. For A to B, the shortest path is 4 and for A to C, the shortest path is 3. The heuristic value for that is 12 and 11 respectively. So the total distance for B is 16 and C is 14. These two has been traversed via A and A is a previous node for B and C. Now we are traversing from C. C has two possibilities and two nodes. One is E and the next one is D. We will make a C as current node. The shortest distance is already mentioned as 3. So from A to D, we have a possibility of A to C and C to D. A to C is 3 and C to D is 7. So the shortest distance for D is mentioned as 10. And for E, A to C and C to E. So for E is 13. The total distance for D is 16 and E is 17. For these two nodes, we are visiting via C. So C is mentioned as a previous node. Now we are visiting B. Now B is a current node. B has two possibilities. We can traverse from B to E or B to F. First from B to E. From B to E, you are supposed to traverse from A to B and B to E. From A to B is 4 and from B to E is 12. So the sum of 4 plus 12 is 16. Since we already visited E via C and got a minimum cost of 13. When compared to 13, 16 is greater. So we will neglect 16 and consider only 13 for a shortest path and the total distance is 17. The previous node for E is C. Since B has a value of 16, we are considering only node C. For node F, we are supposed to traverse from A to B and B to F. That's 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 and the total distance is 20. We are traversing via B, so the previous node is B. Now we are traversing from D. D has only one possibility, that's E. So now we are visiting from A to E via C and D. C is already visited. So C has a value of from A to C is 3 and C to D is 7. The total cost is 10 plus D to E is 2. The total cost for E from A is 12. We already traversed via C with 13 and B via B with 16. When compared to B, C has a shortest path 13. Now, while we are traversing via D, E is having a shortest path of 12. So, we neglect 30 and consider only 12. So, the path is A, C, D, E. The previous node for E now is D. And the total distance has been reduced to 16. In this slide, we are traversing from E to Z. From E to Z, we have been identified as already we have 12 for E. So for Z, 12 plus E to Z 5 has a total cost of 17. Since there is no heuristic distance to Z, it has been mentioned 0. The total distance for Z via E is 17. So we have mentioned as a previous node as E. Now considered Z as a current node. We have a possibilities of 20 and 17 via F because the total distance of 20. Via E we have a total distance of 17. Via B 20 and via E 17. Since 17 is a minimal cost when compared to 20, we can consider 17 as a minimal cost via node E. So the shortest path is from A, C, D, E to F. Like 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5. That's 10, 12 plus 7. 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 5, 17. So, the shortest cost is 17. Thank you. We will see in the next class.